Hi guys, Mary Beth Temple here, and I'm here today to unbox my new sewing machine, which is the Brilliant from Baby Lock. I just got it, and we're going to open it up together. Now, the first thing I'm seeing, I will say I cheated. I got the box cutter out and opened it, so you didn't have to watch me do that. But the first thing that I am seeing right on the top is the thread spool holders and the cord, the electrical cord, and the feet. Now the Brilliant comes with 14 feet included, so I'm sure as life goes on, I'll show you all about them and how to use them. But the machine does come with 14 feet, and all of them except the big one, which I think is the walking foot, but again, we'll learn together later. Everything is in this package except for this big heavy guy. We have the manuals, which I always appreciate. Let's see if there's anything else exciting in here. No, here's your quick start, and here's your reference guide. So we have all the manuals that we could ever need. Oh, this is my favorite thing. Can I just say, I'm gonna have a hard time getting it out. This is the pedal. I guess pedal's the wrong word. This is the lever. This is one of my favorite things about any sewing machine that I use, but this one in particular. If you attach this to the front of the machine, when you're sewing, you can use your knee to lift the presser foot. The reason that is important for somebody like me who does a lot of garments, a lot of cosplay, all that kind of exciting stuff, often I'm working with really thick fabric. I need to have both my hands on there to make sure I don't lose where I'm going. So having the knee pedal, the knee lift to bring that presser foot up and down is wildly important. And if you're looking for a new sewing machine, that is something I would definitely look for. All right, here she is. Now, the Brilliant is from the Genuine Collection. And the Genuine Collection is available both online and at your favorite Baby Lock store. And these are meant to be beginner friendly. Let's see what else we have going on here. I suspect this is the foot pedal, and I was right about that, so let's get that out of the way. So we have over here our computer screen so that we can see what kind of stitches that we're doing. And I did pull the blue tape off while you weren't looking in the interest of this video not being 3 hours long. But one of the things I want to point out to you is that the Brilliant comes with 190 stitches, which is a lot of stitches. So even though it's considered more of an entry-level, more of a basic machine, if you wind up with a machine like the Brilliant, you're not going to have to upgrade in a hot hurry. You're going to invest in this machine, you're going to have it for a long time, because there is a lot that this machine can do. The other thing I wanted to point out is it has 19 different buttonholes. So if you are like me and you are mostly doing garments or cosplay or, things that might require buttonholes, I do a lot of craft sewing, a lot of tote bags, stuff like that. Having that many options for buttonholes is amazing. When I first learned to sew, and we won't talk about how long ago that was, a big advancement was a keyhole buttonhole, you know what I mean? And all the buttonholes, if you see garments that people made long ago, they're all that straight rectangular buttonhole. So one of the things I'm really excited to play with on this machine is the buttonholes. I'm kind of looking forward to that. In addition, there are a lot of accessories you can add on to this machine as your sewing skills and the kind of projects you want to make as that expands. You can add a table and a bunch of other accessories. So again, while we're saying that this is sort of an entry-level machine, to me this is going to last you a good long time. This is not a machine that you're going to purchase and then want to replace in 6 months. So to me, that makes the investment a little better. Speaking of investments, right now we do have our Black Friday sale going, which gives you 10% off certain machines, including this one. And again, I'm not going to go through the whole list in the interest of keeping the video under 20 minutes. And you can go to babylock.com, and I will link that. And just because everybody likes goodies on Black Friday, if you purchase one of these machines that's on sale, again including this one, the Brilliant, Before December 5th, 2024, which is the last day of the sale, you will receive this 10-pack of Madeira Aerofill thread. And you get these 10 colors. There's 440 yards of thread on each one of those spools, so they'll last you a good long time. It's a beautiful color palette, and you'll get this free of charge if you purchase your machine that's on sale before December 5th of 2024. So thanks so much for hanging out with me and looking at my new toy, and there will definitely be more content coming when I get it up on the sewing table and start making projects. Once again, I'm Mary Beth Temple. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.